gathered here to celebrate the groundbreaking ceremony for our new state-of-the-art academic building and the official opening of the buildings which were built at our school. This event signifies not only the physical expansion of our school, but also the unwavering commitment to academic excellence and innovation. As we stand at the threshold of this new chapter, it is imperative to reflect upon the significance of this milestone. Education. We can't make decisions without knowledge. We get knowledge from education. If anyone diverts children from getting education, one must be arrested. Getting education is a right for everyone. Thank you.
Ndofunga vanoona ma-TV vanga vachingozviona kuti minista uyo ari kumhanya achingovhura kwese zvikoro nemakiriniki. Ndanda kusvika pakunyara kuti hei kwangu handisati ndavhura chinhu. Maita henyu SDC, maita henyu headmaster, headmistress. Zvino nhasi tabva tarova dzakawanda. Kumwe tinosivhura ma1 block, nhasi 4 mururu nemuridzo. Zvinopa manyemwe izvi zvichidadisa. Chindibvumidzai kuverenga speech iri pano. Chakanakira ana Samanyika takaenda kuskuru handiti. Pano tiri pachikoro. Kutaura shona kungotaurawo hedu asi pano panofanira kuchiriridzwa chirungu pano. Ndizvo here Sachirara? Indeed, it is my great pleasure and honor to stand before you at this momentous occasion where we shall witness the commissioning of the 4 classroom blocks and the groundbreaking ceremony here at the Tsvingwe Primary School in Mutasa district. Indeed, the developments taking place here at the Tsvingwe Primary School are very remarkable in the provision of safe learning spaces. As the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution for Manicaland and Member of Parliament for this constituency, I am honored to witness the tangible fruits of our collective efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited to note that the establishment of classroom blocks is coming to strengthen the government's policy on Education 5.0's objective of shaping the future of children through technology, innovation, and industrialization. With these modern facilities, Tsvingwe Primary will lay a firm foundation for teaching, research, community service, innovation, and having a knowledge-driven economy for the social and economic development of our country. I wish to acknowledge the steadfast commitment to education by the government of Zimbabwe under the visionary leadership of His Excellency the President Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa. Through initiatives such as the school infrastructure development we are witnessing today and the upgrading of schools in Manicaland and beyond. This commitment to infrastructure development underscores the government's mantra of leaving no one and no place behind in our journey towards inclusive and sustainable development. I have been reliably informed that since the establishment of the new classroom blocks, the classroom blocks have increased from 22 classes to 30 classes. Ladies and gentlemen, we still have more classes needed at this place, and I can assure you that the job will be accomplished. With the team that is here, we know that nothing will fall short of being achieved. Can I have a round of applause? As we celebrate the official opening, we also pay tribute to the SDC committee for their contributions in ensuring that children are properly housed. I was notified that part of the school blocks were built utilizing the SDC funds. As Manicaland province, we applaud and commend you for your development efforts. If you want to progress in life, then rope in the fathers and mothers. Let me thank all of you for attending this occasion. The development we are witnessing today is a clear testimony of your teamwork and unit of purpose. Furthermore, these classroom blocks are symbols of hope, progress, and resilience. Let us use them wisely, maintain them diligently, and honor the trust placed upon us. With these remarks, it is now my singular honor and privilege to declare the 4 classroom blocks officially commissioned. Mururu nemridzo. Regai ndibate zviviri zvitatu zvandapuwa kuti zvinetswa zviri pano pachikoro. Nyaya yekutanga yataurwa ndeyekuti classroom blocks asati akwana. Mufaro wangu kuti nhasi taita ground breaking ceremony yeimwe classroom iri kuda kutanga kuvakwa.